think caress is caress.
Soon we'll feel the sun on our skin. After all this time.
Staying in a brothel.
Listen.
Not long before we leave scouring places like this behind. Part of me will miss it.
I will not. It is our chance to start over. We should go. I do not want to face the Master if we're late for his Black Mass.
Soon, sister. I only need one more mark.
We have enough for the Master. No more are needed.
It's not for the Master, it's for me. I spent 100 years eating rats and dogs, but soon I'll be able to feast. I want someone there, ready for me. And once the Mass is done and our Lord grants us freedom, I can celebrate by drinking them dry.
Cazador promised you your freedom, and you believed him? Ha! You were never burdened with intelligence, Petras. But your load seems especially light these days.
Astarion! It cannot be.
That's no way to welcome back a brother, doll. Didn't you miss me?
Why would you come back? You got out. You were free.
Of course that's why he came crawling back. He wants to ascend with the rest of us. He heard about the ritual and the power our master will grant us. So he came back with his tail between his legs, hoping all would be forgiven.
You always were an idiot, Petras.
No!
Where is he hiding? Tell me!
Brother! Please!
Fine. You owe your wretched life to my friend. Now tell me what I need to know.
The Master is preparing the Black Mass. Beneath his palace, there's a defiled chapel. It was hidden there the entire time. Hidden from us all. Do you really think you can stop him?
I'm the only one who can. The sun can't harm me. Cazador can't compel me. I don't need to fear him anymore. Now go, before I change my mind about roasting you, brother.
This isn't over, Astarion.
Poor fools. They actually think Cazador will save them. Yes, and they'll be trembling in fear when they tell him. They're no threat to us. And they have no choice but to do Cazador's bidding. I pity them. Worst of all, they don't know their fate's already set. They're doomed. The only question is whether their lives will be sacrificed to a monster like Cazador, or serve a greater purpose. 7 sigils on 7 spawn. And Cazador has the other 6. We have to face him and take that power for ourselves. Trust me, I'd rather slaughter someone else's family, but if that's what it takes, And it's not like their sweet innocence. They brought Cazador just as many victims as I did. You're not getting sentimental, are you? I thought you were with me on this. I knew I was right about you. You're a true friend. And now we know he's skulking beneath his palace. We can take the hunt to Cazador. All right, let's go. This place stinks of rat blood and despair.
In a brothel.
Right.
Listen, it's got private rooms, music.
If a patron confuses me for a member of staff,
I'd probably break his nose. Good call.
Key from the shapeshifter. Looks like it fits right here. Blood near the bed.
Notice some blood has pooled on the wooden floor. You notice the blood's source. A body hidden under the bed.
His key. The dead shapeshifter back in the tunnels bore one just like it. In for a surprise?
And all-round pleasant folks, from what I've heard.
and if a member of staff,
I'd probably break his nose.
just wetting your whistle. This dance.
Pleasure isn't just physical.
Much better to
By all
make drinks. You're a true talent. Do you think we've done something wrong?
I presume you've found something interesting to discuss, if you're interrupting me again? A Baal plot. You as well? Duvella's been harping on about Baal for months. Fancies herself something of an expert. I assumed it was just a bunch of conspiracy codswallop and fear-mongering. But she's been unusually insistent about this one, even for her. Fine. I'll bite. What's your theory? Constable Devella is going to be a real pain in the trunk about this. Since you seem to be on an obnoxiously similar wavelength, why don't you seek her out? She'll be at the Elf Song Tavern. Show her the list, and I'll stay and inform the Fist here. Oh, and you'll need this pass. It'll give you access to the lower city. Well, what are you waiting for? You've a bloody conspiracy to solve. Move!
It's got music.
The hand not to assist the lips the tongue. If your mighty mass needs
I got it.
Let's go to Khan's Gulch.
And thanks.
She has the most fabulous scent.
I'm not doing anything.
If you are in need of some pleasurable assistance, might I direct you to Shares's Caress? I only deal with referrals.
I'm not going inside.
I don't know. Well, we're shopping for a suit.
You madman!
Dinner with my parents, remember?
Astairion's dancing acts. Half is home from home, according to Jahira.
Hello? Hi! Over here! Me!
Let's go to Karnsgard.
Put him up! Put him up! Wait! I wasn't really gonna fight you. I was just trying something out. My name's Narber, adventurer to be, soon to be the best adventurer anyone's ever seen. As soon as I figure out what kind of adventurer I want to be. What do you think? Can I be a fighter? Right you are. I'll just find something to punch, I guess. It won't hurt, will it? No, surely not. One of them in a fight. A real
We're
fight.
shopping
They
for a
crush
suit.
everyone.
Dinner with my parents, remember?
Darn it, of course.
Set your worries at ease.
Let's go to...
Oh, stranger. Thanks for stopping by Calm's. I'm Calm. Well, Carmen. What can I do you for? Sounds good. Get you something a bit fresher than your current outfit. Remember, Calm's, here for all your fashion needs.
What I wouldn't give to be the Gondian who invented the steel watch.
Actually,
The person with you. Gondians built the steel.
Welcome to Danthilon's dancing acts. Our stock isn't used, it's tried.